Alright guys, it's Jason here, and if you guys didn't notice, I have a new mic. It's off camera so you can't see it, so hopefully it picks up some sound. We've got another unboxing video to do today, so let's just jump right into it. Got our usual suspect here. I don't know if you can see it because of the light. Americana Pipedream on top. This time it's in a more vertical fashion like it normally is supposed to be. I think I'm going to cut it horizontally because it's kind of like you can feel it on both sides, so I don't want to have to cut the thing by accident. I'm so tired. I am very tired. So as of the recording of this video, I am currently just about to upload one of my older ones from like way back in the early days of this month. I know it's taken me this long to get around to these older videos, but you'll get your content. Hopefully I'm not cutting it by accident. That would really suck. I just want to cut a little bit off the top so that way I'm not like... Okay, there we go. We didn't cut anything. Let's go. I'm just hoping this new mic will actually pick up some sound and, you know, the sound quality will be a lot better. Let's see what we got here. It's been a while since we've seen one of these, but you guys know what to do. So what we have here are some, so these are East German KDA cold winter. These are normally meant to be worn in the winter. There's some kind of liner on the inside, as you can see here. They're kind of big, which is supposed to be the point. What the KDA is, it's basically the East German equivalent to the National Guard, and it's literally just simple pants, like no camo, no nothing. So yeah, it's just great pants. That's literally it. There's nothing like super interesting about it. I just figured I had to add it simply just because I'm running out of jeans and I want to stock up on some, you know, more jeans. But yeah, this is literally what it looks like. Nothing interesting here. And that's it. Wow, short one, but that's all we have for now. I will get more packages later. I don't know why we had such a sort of long wait in terms of like getting packages and stuff, but assuming it's because of the holidays, you know, when I get those packages, I'll open them up to you guys and just, you know, and against my better judgment, I did order some more stuff and it's gonna be a burden on my bank account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.